Hi, I am Kirti from 8th standard of Rayanand Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to share with you a topic which is Save Earth, Save Environment. This is very important topic because as we all know, Earth is very unique planet because life is possible only on Earth just because of land, air, water and so on. Today I am going to share with you we should conserve them, otherwise the Earth will be also become like other planets where life is not possible. So I make this which will help you to understand how can we conserve these resources. So firstly we will discuss the 8 things which we will going to conserve. First is don't pollute air. Second is don't pollute water. Third is don't pollute land. Fourth is save bird. Fifth is save water. Sixth is save electricity. Seventh is save animal and eighth is save trees. So let's understand them one by one. So our first topic is don't pollute air. So firstly we will discuss how air pollution is caused. So air pollution is caused by solid and liquid particles and certain gases that are suspended in the air. These particles and gases can be came from car, truck, forest fires and factory works. So the solid and liquid particles suspended in our air is called aerosols. So let's see the ways by which we can control this air pollution. Riding a bike or walking instead of driving. Taking a bus, buy a car that has greater fuel efficiency, buy fewer things that are manufactured by fossil fuels. And our next topic is don't pollute water. So firstly we should know how water is getting polluted. When we throw waste in water bodies, the water will become unfit for drinking, and this is called water pollution. So let's see how can we control it. Dispose of toxic chemicals. Do not pour fat and grease down the drains. Use phosphorate-free detergent and dishwash. Dispose of medical waste properties. Eat more organic food. Try to avoid plastic containers. Help clean up beaches and rivers. So our next topic is to save land. Means don't pollute land. So land contaminants or land pollution as a part of land degradation is caused by the presence of human-made chemicals in the natural soil environment. It is commonly caused by industrial activities, agriculture chemicals or improper disposal of waste. So let's understand how can we control it. So use reusable water bottles, not disposable. Don't cut trees, don't throw garbage in on land, throw it in dustbin. So our next topic is save birds. So as we all know, birds are in danger just because of losing their habitats, just because of development, and we are collecting their eggs as the food, and climate change, natural disasters. So here are some ways by which we can conserve birds. First is buy bird-friendly products. Do not hunt birds. Skip pesticides, herbicides and fertilizers. Provide and protect birds' habitat. Next is save water. As do you know, we use a lot of water in day. We use more than 50 liters per day. But sometimes we use water, but sometimes we waste water. So let's see how can we save water. Check the toilets leaks. Use bucket and mug instead of using shower, and if you want to take a shower, then take a shorter shower. Turn off water while brushing your teeth. Use drip irrigation for water crops, and don't water the gutter. Next is save electricity. Do you know we use electricity whole day, but sometimes we waste electricity. Let's understand how can we conserve electricity. Turn off unnecessary lights. Use solar panels, and if you are not at home, then turn off air conditioners. Reduce heat in kitchen. Unplug your second fridge and use the microwave or toast oven. And our next step is save animals. So as you all know, animals are also in danger by losing their habitat just because of development. So let's see how can we conserve animals. Don't support them in entertainment. Live with animals like friend. Don't hunt them and give them a proper habitat. And our next step is save trees. So as we all know, in our home a lot of things are made up of wood, and for this we cut a lot of trees per day. So we should conserve trees. So here are some ways which will help us to save trees. Use paper wisely. Make a space for reusable paper. Use both sides of paper. Use cloth napkins. Choose a reusable lunchbox and don't cut more trees. Here is our last, and here a title: I can save the earth. And as you all know, plastic is not non-biodegradable material, so we can apply these our purposes on them. And there are five also I want to share with that with you. First is reuse, means using again to that, like we can use plastic bags for shopping again and again. And refuse, stop using plastic. Next is reduce, using less plastic. Next is recycle, throw plastics that you not need in dustbin for recycling. And next is repurpose, means using plastic for other purposes like using water bottles for planting trees. So let's take a quick look what we have to do. First, save water. Next, clean up, don't pollute. Third, rescue animals. Fourth, ride a bike. Fifth, grow more trees and plants. And sixth is walk more. So I hope you understand why is necessary to conserving these all of the resources. And I hope you like this video. And thanks for listening me so patiently. Bye. Please remember, save earth, save environment. Bye.